Good luck or bad luck? Long ago, in a small quiet village, lived an old farmer. He was not a wealthy man, but he was highly respected for his calm and steady nature. He owned only one thing of real value: a beautiful, strong white horse. One morning, the farmer went to the stable and found the door wide open. His prized horse had ran away into the mountains. When the other villagers heard the news, they rushed to the farmer's house to offer their sympathy. "Oh, what terrible news!" they cried. "Your only horse is gone? How will you work your fields? This is such bad luck." The old farmer simply smiled a gentle, unbordered smile. "Good luck, bad luck. Who can say?" he replied quietly. The villagers were confused by his indifference, but they muttered to themselves and went back to their homes. A few days later, the farmer was sitting on his porch when he heard the sound of thundering hoofs. His white horse had returned. But it was not alone. He had brought with him 3 magnificent wild horses from the mountains. The villagers were amazed. They came running back to the farmer's house, cheering. "This is incredible," they shouted. "You lost one horse, but now you have 4. You are a rich man. What incredibly good luck!" The old farmer poured himself a cup of tea, looked at the wild horses, and smiled. "Good luck, bad luck. Who can say?" he replied calmly. The next morning, the farmer's young son began the hard work of taming the new wild horses. He mounted the largest, fiercest stallion. The horse bucked wildly, throwing the young man violently to the ground. The son's leg was shattered in multiple places. The village doctor said he would have a severe limp for the rest of his life. Once again, the villagers gathered around the farmer, shaking their heads in sorrow. "What a tragedy," they wept. "Your son is severely injured. He cannot help you farm anymore. This is the worst luck of all." The old farmer sat by his son's bed. Holding his hand, he said, "Good luck, bad luck. Who can say?" he whispered. A week later, a brutal war broke out in the kingdom. The emperor's generals marched into the small village, forcing every healthy young man to join the army and go to the front lines. It was a hopeless war, and the villagers knew their sons would likely never return. But when the generals came to the farmer's house, they saw his son's shattered leg. They declared him useless for combat and left him behind. The villagers, weeping for their own lost children, came to the farmer one last time. "You were right," they said softly. "Your son's injury saved his life. What incredibly good luck!" The old farmer looked out at the distant mountains and smiled. "Good luck, bad luck. Who can say?" We constantly rush to judge every event in our lives as either a disaster or a blessing. But the truth is, we never know the full story. A terrible hardship today might be the exact thing that saves you tomorrow. Let go of the need to constantly judge and simply let life unfold. So if you like that story, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.